Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yusuf Shakeel, and in this video we are going to learn about object static methods like keys, values and entries. So let's get started. Alright, let's say we have an object const user, and this user object has some properties. Let's say username, is online, score, let's say last 3 points, and let's say we have another field or property in this user object, which is, let's say, profile. And let's say one of the profile is YouTube. Alright, let's say we want to get the keys present in the user object. So in order to get the keys in the user object, we will use object.keys static method. And we can write something like this. Const keys is equal to object.keys, and we'll pass the object, which is user. And then we can console log. So if we run this code, we will get an array containing the name of all the keys present in the user object. So the array would have username, is online, score, last 3 points, and profile. So if we run this one, we get all the keys present in the user object. Now let's say we want to get all the values in the user object. So in order to get all the values, we use the object.values static method. And we can write something like this. Const values is equal to and we can console log values. So if we run this code, we'll get an array of values, and the values would be Yusuf Shakeel, true, 10, array of 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, and then another object which has a key value pair. So if we run this one, we get the result Yusuf Shakeel, true, 10, array of 3 elements, 1, 2, 3, and then finally another object with a key value pair. Alright, let's say we want to print all the key value pairs in the object. So if we want to print all the key value pairs, we use the object.entries static method. So our code would look something like this. Const entries is equal to object dot entries user, and we can console log entries. So object.entries is going to return us an array, something like this. And each element of this array is going to be an array having 2 elements inside it. So the first element of this array is going to be another array which has 2 elements. The first element is the key, the second element is the value. If we look at our user object, then the key is going to be username. And the second element is going to be the value, which is Yusuf Shakeel. In a similar way, it is going to have another element, and the first element of this array is going to be the key is online, and the second element is going to be the value, which is true. And in a similar way, it is going to have other key value pairs. So if we run this code, we get something like this. We have an array, and each element of this array, they are also arrays, and they contain key value pairs. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you'll find it useful. And if you do, then please subscribe my channel, click that bell icon and like this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and like always, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye.